In this video, I'm going to show you how you could fix Ruijie damaged by water, and I had to change everything so that it could respond and give internet to the surroundings. So just stick this video until the end and you see how we have tried to figure out the issue and solved it of the water problem within this Ruijie access point. It has been a good access point and working very well. Many people they have tried to use these access points in the market. So far they are good. They are good to go and get hooked up with, and many people have tried to get this Ruijie. First remove the cap. We unscrew the nails from the cap. As you can see, it's even a waterproof gadget. You have to be careful and remove all the nails step by step without having any hesitation. As you can see, we are trying to remove all the nails so fast. You remove all the nails. If you'd like to do the meshing, the installation of these access points and all the stuff, just contact Roncom. We are there to help you in this business to do all the installations and all the stuff. In networking, at least we have tried to advance and getting many clients and workers to help in that hotspot business, doing the installations to help them out. So if you have any issue with your hotspot business, don't hesitate to inbox Roncom to help you in this business of hotspot and Wi-Fi installations, networking, all the stuff. Maybe configuring the MikroTiks, firewalls, gateways, everything. Some they want to configure the MikroTik into the PoE. In here we are from removing the handle and the cables. As you see, they are always named and labeled. Ruijie tried to make this gadget so far. It's giving internet very well, though it's a long range internet extender in the outdoor without obstructions like a beach, like an open market. So installing this access point, you have to know that when you install it into the rooms on the streets where there are houses, it won't hit internet very well within the houses. So you have either put them like in the middle of the road where there is a pole, so that even people within the shops could get internet very well. We are trying to remove nails per nail, slowly by slowly, without having an issue or making the damage. So if you have any equipment with issues, we are there to help. Just inbox us. The number is always in the description, or you can check in the bio of this channel for our number. Or you can inbox us using the email. Still you can reach us, and we are making the YouTube and we're making the website where we are going always to post these videos and blogs. If you have any issue with your stuff, you can inbox us and we help you out. As you see, we have removed the cover. Even guys, you have seen how to disassemble this Ruijie access point. This is a 6262G. As you can see inside how it's stacked. And the antennas inside. And for now, let's pull over these cables so that we can try to figure out the issue, because water air like damaged the LAN port of this, the PoE port of this Ruijie access point. These are the antennas of lights, because they click on, they are attached to the light and they send light outside on the cover of this Ruijie access point. Then here we are going to use another tool to unscrew the nails inside. Here they are, the Ruijie have liked it because they are good at naming and labeling these cables, even outside and inside, so that you don't mess them up. You see, the cable was damaged totally, and you see, now we are going to mark these cables. You see, they are like RG45 and all the stuff. That means you can even connect directly to that port. You see, it was damaged by water. So most of the technicians, when they are installing, they don't put that cover which normally comes with this equipment. The moment you don't put that, that means water to enter, it's very easy. Even it can enter like through the RG45 connector. So better and the best option to put that cover when you're terminating or you're clipping that Ethernet cable to be attached to this equipment. That's what I would recommend, and that was the main issue, was when it was like pressed, it was pressed badly and had to do like short circuit to this board. So what we are going to do in this video, we are going to change the LAN port which we could use to share internet to another access point from this Ruijie. Then we interchange it to the PoE port since it's already damaged, or if it's not the issue to do that, we could connect directly with the RG45 on that port. You see, now we have changed it. This was the PoE, now we have made it interchange, like an interchange. The LAN port, it's the one which is going to be the PoE port. We are glad Ruijie tried to provide that. It would be an easy way to fix your equipment if you have any issue with it. If they never did that, at least we would be like not having a better and good solution to solve that in an easy way. That means even though you are at home, you can fix that very easy and simple. That's why I've peeled off the PoE indicator. As you can see, this was the LAN, but now it's the PoE port. See, we are going to label this as the PoE port, yet it was the LAN port. If you have any issue with your Ruijie hardware, don't hesitate to inbox us so that you can be helped out, guys. We are trying to advance with technologies and all the stuff everywhere and all the time, guys. Then we are going to power it to see if it's passing through power, but The good thing, guys, note this: you should always use Ruijie power adapter. It provides good power. That's why even there is a notification on it, on the power. It gives enough power to the Ruijie access point. So even though you use that this power adapter, better configure the access point to provide the power which is required for this equipment to use. Many people, they just pin and plug the Ruijie this Ruijie power adapter and forget to configure it to respond to the power supply you need. And also is an issue, can bring this access point not to function very well. You see, it's now working very well and providing power. Only that we haven't seen the yellow color of the Wi-Fi to see if it's working very well. It's hard to detect, even though I've tried to do this. We can put the cover, since it's having like light tubes to show on top. You see now the second color to show that Wi-Fi is working. Let's put the color tubes to see if it could bring. See, it's working very well and perfectly, bringing even power without using a lot of knowledge and changing a lot of the stuff. It can even show Wi-Fi very well, very well. So guys, if you have any issue with your equipment, don't hesitate to inbox us to help you out. Guys, try to watch till the end so that you could get the tips and the tricks of these access points, and try to subscribe to this channel if you would. You'd like to learn more details about networking. You see, even the system has stabilized, even power has stabilized, which shows like now we are good to go with this AP, only resetting it and doing the other configurations which are needed for this AP to work very well. So I was saying, if you'd like to learn how to do configurations, installations, MikroTik, don't hesitate to inbox us. We are there to help and show you the way how you could do all those stuff within your hotspot business, since it's now like a trending thing everywhere nowadays. See, now it's working very well. Then we are going to assemble this equipment very well, like how we removed it, slowly by slowly, each nail on where we have removed it, putting it back like how it should be. And waterproof stuff, I've tried to put simple glue, silicone glue, like which can prevent water from entering into this equipment, since it's always outside. So it's good to maintain that and checking if it's working very well before assembling it, and doing it in a right way, not to mess up with this equipment, and so that it could work very well. We put the nails back how we have removed them, slowly by slowly, without having any issue. Always use the right adapter, power adapter, for this Ruijie access point if you want your AP to work very well and don't forget to do that. And those who are starting hotspot business without the MikroTik, this Ruijie brought a direct gateway how to print vouchers for your hotspot businesses. Those who are using cafes, you can use this access print and use it to make some simple vouchers for your hotspot business, and very easy to use to print using your smartphone without having trouble to configure the MikroTik and all the stuff and the gateways. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, watch the video until the end so that you can always get the solutions for your hotspot business. We are going to put all the detailed information on hotspots, maybe configuring the MikroTik, the Ruijie Access points, all the gateways, the Cisco, any product. If you would like to do any video on any AP or anything in networking, just put it in the comment section so that we can have a way how to look at it and do the video for you so that you can be helped out. Then another thing, if we make a video about that thing, we give detailed information on these videos. If you fail to get the way how to handle that and you inbox us, that means you're entering our box. Our box, you'll need a payment for it. So though we have said we can help, that doesn't mean you inbox us anytime. If it's that means we'll reach a time where we will not handle all the people who will be inboxing us. So if you inbox us, that means we will ask for some money. So keep that in mind, guys. Here we are putting all the nuts again and the screws.